chocolate cake, so easy and very delicious with crunchy caramel. You will love it and the taste is really so good. Let's do it together. So easy recipe. As we did before, this chocolate sponge or sponge cake chocolate, we cut 3 layers, and then in the same mold we make the cake, we clean it and we fill inside, so you have nice edges cake. All we do is just make whipping cream with a chocolate spread. You can use Nutella, you can use any type of chocolate spread you have. Just mix it to have the consistency and the flavor. Here we go. I added syrup, then 1 layer of cream, and same times as usual I do something, another layer of chocolate, and here some syrup. Syrup is 100 gram sugar, 100 gram water, boiling for 1 minute, and then we squeeze little bit of quarter lemon. Here we go, any type of caramelized nuts. Normally I use 100 gram sugar without water. When becomes caramelized, I added 100 gram of any type of nuts. In this case, I use hazelnut, which I love the caramelized hazelnut. Then I cover with chocolate cake. Here we go. This is the final. I added syrup to keep the cake is moist and so delicious. And then the final layer of cream, chocolate cream. Then we keep in the freezer for 1 hour to set and to be more strong. So it can help me to cover it with ganache. If you don't see, this is a chocolate ganache. If you don't see the video of how to make chocolate ganache, please write in the description box below so I can send you to the link. Here we go. We just cover the cake the way you like, sharp edge, and you make all the same edges. Here we go, the same ganache in piping back. I just cover the cake ring, and the middle I can add it shaved chocolate, I can add it Nutella, I can add it any type of chocolate or glaze or ganache. That's it. Your cake is finished. And then the time of decoration, use your imagination to make whenever decoration you can do. You can write happy birthday or happy anniversary, or you can just do simple decoration like that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please see over the 900 video in this channel to learn the pastry.